Hello class, welcome to Module 4, Unit 2. Now in this module, we will begin a new conversation. We'll shift from talking about the mindsets and start talking about the myths of model family. At this point in the semester, we'll be focusing on various myths for the third unit and for the fourth as well. In Unit 2, the myths of the model family, we'll be looking at various readings in Rereading America, the 11th edition of the book. We'll also participate in weekly discussion board posts, submit annotation assignments, submit activity pages. You'll be submitting a quiz at some point. You'll also participate in another peer review and submit your second assignment. This sounds like a lot. It kind of is, but we have about 4 weeks to work on all of this. So when you think about the 4 weeks, completing Unit 2 and the assignments in Unit 2 actually aren't that, it's not that much when you look at it in the sense that we'll be completing it in 4 weeks. This module, however, in Module 4, we'll be looking at a few texts. So, in order to successfully complete this module, you're going to read Harmony at Home, that's the introduction to the myths of family, Looking for Work, and What We Miss About the 1950s. These 3 readings are in the Rereading America textbook on the 11th edition, and it's the 11th edition. You'll also be reading a rhetorical situation page and learn about the rhetorical situation. You'll submit an activity page and post on your second discussion post for the semester, and you'll also submit an annotation for What We Miss About the 1950s. Something important to note is that your first essay assignment, which was just peer-reviewed and you've been working diligently on, is going to be due this upcoming Sunday at on September 22nd. So make sure that you're reviewing the suggestions your peer reviewers gave you and you're making observations regarding your essay and revising based on those suggestions and observations. Remember, writing is a recursive process. You're going to have to go back at some point to review, maybe rewrite, heavily edit some areas in your paper. Remember that there is also online tutoring that's offered to you as an LVCC student. And you're also welcome to visit the Writing and Reading Success Center to get feedback from a tutor. If you have any questions on Unit 2 or Module 4 in general, feel free to post on the class questions discussion board. If you have any questions specifically about your grades or anything that's specific to you, please feel free to email me. Looking forward to Unit 2.